Today we have proved that if a series is convergent, sigma un is convergent, to show that sigma un upon n is convergent. What is the meaning of that? Ki a series is convergent and the series of this is convergent. We have only know that if a series is convergent, right? So we have to prove that if we multiply sigma un upon n, it is so that if you have this term, and we have to prove sigma un into sigma 1 over m. This is not a convergent series, right? You know that it is not a convergent series. We have to only prove that when you multiply by a convergent series, which is when you multiply by a convergent series with a divergent series, then it is also a convergent series. We have to prove that only. Okay, it is the most important fact from this side, because a divergent series, when it is product by a convergent series, then it is also convergent. As we know that, what is the proof of this? As we know that as geometric mean is less than equals to arithmetic mean, right? What is this xy? If you take xy two elements, then the product of xy का whole square का root is less than equals to 1 by 2 x square plus y square, right? Now we have to take that un upon n, right? We should prove that un upon n it is convergent. So we have to take this term and whole square of this ka root of this, which is less than equals to 1 by 2 un square plus 1 over n square, right? Now when you have root, then it is cancel out by whole square. So un upon n, which is less than equals to 1 by 2 un square plus 1 by n square. Now taking sum on both sides, on both sides, sigma un upon n, which is less than equals to 1 by 2 sigma un ka square plus sigma 1 over n square. Now we know that the series, if the series is convergent, we have this term sigma un is convergent. This implies that sigma un square is also convergent, right? And we know that this series sigma 1 over n square is also convergent. Okay, if its series is convergent, this series is convergent, then these are finite series, and this, if these are finite, then the less than of equals to, which is also finite, sigma un is finite, sigma un upon n is finite, and this is also convergent series. That is the proof of this. But main topic is that what is, we have this series, one series is convergent and we multiply by the divergent series, which is the divergent series. When you multiply by this, then it is a convergent series. That the most important thing, that's why it is important.